Question number 7 of exercise 3.7 is solve the following pair of linear equation in two variables px plus qy equal p minus q and qx minus py equal p plus q. We have to solve this equation and we have to find the values of x and y. We can use any of the method, student. You can use elimination method, you can use substitution method, or you can use cross multiplication method. I am using here elimination method. As you can see here, in first equation the coefficient of y is q, and in second equation the coefficient of y is minus p. It means both are in different sign. So we will multiply this first equation by p and second equation by q. So we will get p square x plus pqy equal p minus q multiplied by p. We will get p square minus pq. And when you multiply the second equation by q, we will get q square x minus pqy equal pq plus q square. Since here both the terms are with opposite sign, so we will add both the equation. This plus pqy cancel with this minus pqy, and we will get p square x plus q square x equal p square minus pq plus pq plus q square. As you can see here, this plus pq cancel with this minus pq, and if we take x common from both the term, we will get p square plus q square equal p square plus q square. So the value of x equal p square plus q square upon p square plus q square. P square plus q square cancel with this p square plus q square, and we will get 1. So the value of x is 1. Now we will find the value of y with the help of this value of x. We will substitute this value in any of the equation from 1. Px plus qy equal p minus q, and we substitute x equal 1. We will get p into 1, it means p plus qy equal p minus q. Now this p shift into right hand side, sign will change, minus p cancel with this plus p. We will get qy equal minus q. So y equal minus q upon q. Q cancel with this q, we will get minus 1. So the value of y is minus 1. Value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus 1. Next question is ax plus by equals c, bx plus ay equal 1 plus c. Again we have to simplify this and we have to find the value of x and y. We can use any of the method. Again I am using here elimination method. As you can see here, all the terms are with positive sign, so we can eliminate x or we can eliminate y. Now I am here eliminating x. Here the coefficient of x is a, and in second equation coefficient of x is b. So we will multiply first equation by b and second equation by a. So we will get abx plus b square y equal bc. Second equation abx plus a square y equal a plus ac. Since both are with same sign, so we will subtract. When we will subtract, sign will change. Use here bracket because here there are two terms, so we will use here bracket. This abx cancel with this minus abx, and we will get b square y minus a square y equal bc minus within bracket a plus ac. we will take y common, b square minus a square equal bc minus a. If we will open bracket, we will get minus ac, and y equal bc minus ac upon b square minus a square. This is the value of b. With the help of this value, now we will find the value of x. Again we will substitute the value of y is in any of the equation. Again I am using here equation 1, ax plus by equal c. Ax as it is, b as it is. The value of y is bc minus a minus ac upon b square minus a square equals to c. Ax as it is. Now we will multiply this b with all these three terms. We will get b square c minus ba minus abc upon b square minus a square equal c. LCM b square minus a square. This ax will multiply with these terms and we will get ab square. Since we have to find the value of x, so we will shift this term into right hand side and we will get ax equal c, plus will convert into minus b square c minus ba minus abc upon b square minus a square. Then we will take LCM. Obviously LCM will be b square minus a square. Now we will multiply this c by b square minus a square minus this minus sign, change all the sign, b square c plus ab plus abc. Open this bracket. Ax equal b square c minus a square c minus b square c plus ab plus abc whole divided by b square minus a square. Ax equal, as you can see, this b square c cancel with this minus b square c and we will get, if we write positive terms first, we will get ab plus abc minus a square c upon b square minus a square. Now we can take a common from numerator, then we will write remaining terms in the bracket, whole divided by b square minus a square. This a cancel with this a and we will get the value of x equal b plus bc minus ac upon b square minus a square. This is the value of x. Third question is x upon a minus y upon b equals 0. Ax plus by equal a square plus b square. As you can see here student, here constant term is 0. Suppose this one is your first equation, this one is your second equation. We can apply here substitution method also. I am using here substitution method. From 1, this x upon a, when you shift this minus sign into right hand side, it will convert into positive sign and we will get y upon b. So the value of x will be, from here cross multiply this a y upon b. This one is your equation number 3. Now we will substitute the value of x in second equation. From 2, ax plus by equal a square plus b square. A, the value of x is ay upon b plus by equal a square plus b square. As you can see, a, when you multiply this, you will get a square y upon b plus by equal a square plus b square. And for simplifying this, we will take LCM. A square y plus b square y equal a square plus b square. Now as you can see here, we will take y as common. We will write remaining terms in the bracket, a square plus b square. Student, here y will be, now we will cross multiply because we have to find the value of y. So all this term will shift into right hand side and we will get a square plus b square into b upon a square plus b square. This a square plus b square cancel with this a square plus b square and we will get y equal b. So the value of y is b. Now we will substitute this value in equation number 3. X equal a in place of b. In place of y we will substitute b. Since the value of y is b, this b cancel with this b and we will get x equal a. So the value of x is a and the value of y is b.